Hello everyone. Today our topic is software developer versus chestpain. Although this is a very important topic of our real life, but this topic is not related to software development, but very important in the field of software development. Mostly software developers don't care about their health. They mostly try to eat fast food. Due to that reason, due to that due to that type of the meals, actually cholesterol level is very high of the developer. So to sort out this problem, we need to identify how we can sort out this problem. I also faced this problem some time ago. So I spent a lot of time and money to recover myself from that problem. So today I am sharing my experience how I tackle this problem and how this problem was sorted out. So I thought I should share my experience with the other, so that other developers, those are part of the IT field, that they should implement this in their real life. So let me try to explain how we can use this. First of all, you can say this is the recipe of the blood vessel health. You can say this recipe is used to open the veins of the blood circulation. So here are the few steps that are involved in this process. First of all, we should have 1 cup of garlic juice, 1 cup of ginger juice, and 1 cup of lemon juice, and 1 cup of apple cider, or you can say सेब का सिरका in Urdu language. So these are the four items. We should put them. Okay, so here are the steps how we can process this, how we can proceed, how we can make this recipe. Combine garlic juice, ginger juice, lemon juice, and apple cider vinegar in a saucepan. Boil the mixture until its volume reduces from 4 cups to 3 cups. Remove from the heat and let it cool slightly. Stir in 1 cup of honey until well mixed with the reduced liquid. This concoction is believed to support the vascular health. Enjoy in moderation for potential benefit. So this is the process how we can make a liquid. We can put this liquid in the bottle, uh, and the main thing is how we can use this. We should use it daily in the morning before your breakfast. You just take 1 cup of water and put 2 spoon of this liquid, mix them and use them. So if you use this recipe for few days, you will feel really well. So no need to go for operate for the heart problem, no need to go to doctor. Just keep this liquid with you and use this. You will feel very comfortable. So you can say if you will eat fast food, then it will recover your problem. So in simple word, you can say this is a van opener. So I'm using this from last few months, and I see the results are very good, and I am feeling very comfortable. Thank you.